my God, you see this? This is like this is so funny. We're about to talk about something. Look who's calling me. This is my partner right here, right? From where? Where? It's gonna say, Lee Meals LA. It's my partner, right? So I can't even answer this right now. This is the point. Right now, I'm about to film this workout and I have to run in like 30 minutes. So I gotta like bang these workouts out quick. So for you guys who are in a time crunch, because I know a lot of you guys have been telling me like, what are some quick workouts? What are some quick ideas, some quick tips? I wanna show you guys a little quick shoulder routine that I'm gonna do with just dumbbells. God, I just wish I had more time in my life, in my schedule. I want it for you guys, man, damn it. But we'll do this, so, simple. I'll warm it up. We're like, why are you wearing a sweater? Why are you wearing a sweater? I'll tell you why I'm wearing a sweater, because I don't have a pump yet, all right? That's the truth. Give me like 2 more exercises, then I'll have a pump. Okay, shoulder presses. Yo, remember when I tried to bench the 200 pounds in the bench, bam? Remember when it bent?
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
It's for the video? Or?
Yeah, that's for, yeah. He's like, it's for the video? Yeah, it's for the video. Because I'm going to show you guys that later. All right. Still got that sweater on though. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a superset between the seated dumbbell overhead press and seated laterals. Get some weight for the overhead press as well. Get this out of my pocket. No more work. Hey. Get to it. And for you guys wondering why he just grabbed 100 pounds, I had warmed up a little bit earlier on the bench press with some benching, so I normally don't go straight to the 100 pounds on the overhead press, so don't do that if you're jumping weight. Oh, shit. The sweater's coming off after this set. It's crazy how heavy, what is this, 40 pounds? It's crazy how heavy 40 pounds felt after 100. I'm like Superman. Just kidding, I'm not. Oh man.
Hey, are your fans even cool?
My fans are the coolest fans on the face of the planet, man. You wanna fight me right now? You wanna bring up that other shit? Say it again.
Hey, fuck your fans.
My fans will fuck you up. Not you guys, we'll fuck you up. Keep talking shit, bro. I'm about to fuck you up. Matter of fact, put that camera down. Hold on. I gotta get on the Snapchat real quick. Snapchat my life. I'm gonna Snapchat you, bro. You better get Snapchat on this camera. Filming this quick shoulder routine for you guys. With Nadeem, the guy who always talks shit. That's him right there, look at him.
They're gonna find me now.
They're gonna find him.
Edit my name out.
Film this. God. Oh, shit. Okay. It's better down there. You think 120s?
I think you got it.
I can't wait to be able to do the 200-pound dumbbells for the overhead press. That's a goal of mine, I swear. Wait, hold on. Oh, that low bench. Oh, shit. Why are you still filming me, man? Let me catch this break real quick. Let's pretend like it was faster so they didn't see all this wait time. Okay. Can we edit it so it looks like I do like 100 reps?
I got you.
Okay, cool. And we'll get a spotter and then we'll edit out the spotter. Fuck. Reps. I'm just kidding. I got you. Anyways, oh man, I got nothing to say right now except I love you guys. Seriously. I'm working better at getting content out more consistently because lately, I got a lot of boogers in my nose, but lately I've been busy as hell and I need to make it a point not to let that affect the content and the connection with you guys. So I need to be back in here more often for you guys because that's the most important thing at the end of the day. I want you guys to get better. Let's get better together every single day or every day I post a video, which is not often enough. So I gotta fix that. I'm gonna fix it. Oh, my belt. It's so pretty. It's so turquoise. And pretty. What if I wore it this way?
I'd call you stupid.
Did you call me stupid right now? Let's go. Me and you. Me and you. I love how you keep filming me. Wait a minute. Alright. This series though, another thing I really like with shoulders, you guys are gonna like this. Look how I left my shit all over the gym. I'm gonna clean that up though. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna clean up all of that. So, another really cool exercise you guys can include in on a shoulder routine is dislocations. You're not really gonna dislocate your shoulder, but shoulder dislocations are kind of like this. You gotta keep your arms straight the whole time. Get the nastiest chest and shoulder pump. Do like 10 passes and then get back into your exercises. So 10 be like, this would be 1 from here, here to the front again would be 1. So that's 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh damn. The pump is too strong. Keeping the arms gotta be straight all the way throughout. Oh shit. $99, 100, 101, 102. Oh man! Did you see all those reps? Did you see them all?
I think you could have done at least 5. I know I could do 5.
At least 110, he said. At least 110. Shit. So what I'm doing, besides bullshitting a lot, is trying to give myself minimal rest. I'm not really counting rest time, but I'm also just trying to fail on every exercise. Do as much as possible before moving to the next one.
It's crazy how my camera makes you look big.
It does, huh? That's a fancy camera.
How much you weigh? Like 100?
110?
110.
Yeah.
I could have swore like on video you look like maybe like 250, 260.
At least 250, 260.
Yeah.
It's all video. It's all smoke and mirrors. You know, like just like on Instagram, when you see people getting spots with like, you know, 700, 800 pounds, like the spotter's like, smoke and mirrors. He's really lifting the weight.
Spotter.
Spotter. What a good spotter you have, my friend. Oh, but yeah, does it look big right now? I gotta bring my chest down, man. Yes? This side better? This side's my better side. Wait, no, wait! I told you guys, no! I shouldn't have told them. Don't tell anyone about my better side, ever. I'll find you. I'll find you. Don't tell anyone. So I'm always like, Nadeem, film me from this side. Over here. Okay, no more bullshit. Next exercise. Oh shit, did I get the camera wet? Sorry. This will be a front raise with dipping the hands down. Be like this. You don't need a lot of weight on this. Make sure you stay upright. $99. 200. 1, 2. As you can tell, I like to count my reps real high. So I started like about 100. I like to go like 101, 102. This makes you feel cooler. Don't worry about that. What are you doing, man? We're done. Stop. I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. Stop filming me. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Is it on? Is it? He left his car open. Is it on? It's not on. I was about to steal this car. But I won't. No GTA today. All right. Come on. A lot of you guys ask me, what's my favorite ab exercise? And hands down, hanging leg raise. So I'll mix that up in here too. Let me be clear though. My camera guy Nadeem, he actually really likes you guys. I know he talks a lot of shit on the sly, but he actually really likes you guys. He reads the comments when you guys are like, fuck your camera guy, we'll fuck him up. And I think it puts a smile on his face, so make sure you guys comment how much you love Nadeem. And his last name is, okay, one more time, overhead, lateral, front lateral, and I'm out of here. Quick little shoulder routine. Can we just cut in? Can we just cut in the scene and pretend like I actually did the last one? Because I don't just.
Last one, come on.
Yeah. I think it would be considered a tricep right now. Tricep. No rest. Oh man. I'm actually tired. May look like not a lot, but I'm actually tired. So, super quick workout. You guys can do a few more sets, probably a few more reps than I did on each of those. Quick, keep it fast paced. Try not to take a lot of rest time. Try not to bullshit to your cameraman a lot and use that as an excuse for rest time, like I did. And yeah, let's get better together. See you guys soon.